Hello, guys. You're all welcome for newbies. For those that are new to cryptocurrency, that are new to DeFi, and you know they they don't really know how to use Trust Wallet. So I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how to use Trust Wallet. So firstly, Trust Wallet. Trust Wallet. What is Trust Wallet? Let me just give you a quick definition of what Trust Wallet is. So I'll say Trust Wallet. We talked about Trust Wallet. Trust Wallet. That was Trust Wallet. Okay. So this is a cryptocurrency wallet integrated with D apps. This is this is a cryptocurrency. This is a cryptocurrency wallet integrated with D apps. D apps means decentralized finance. So it stores Ethereum, XRP, BTC, and BNB. So we are going to be using we will be using we will be using it to access pancake swap, not only pancake swap, also Juice swap, Uniswap, etc. So as you all know, so that's just a brief explanation of what Trust Wallet is all about. And Trust Wallet supports blockchain network such as Ethereum, ETH, BSC, and the rest. Thunder Toku, and Thunder Network, our other network. So Trust Wallet is a wallet. It's a decentralized. Is a wallet integrated with D apps with decentralized applications. So let's go to it. This is Trust Wallet. This is Trust Wallet. Sorry, that's Telegram. What am I doing? Okay, this is Trust Wallet. So if you don't have Trust Wallet, you can go to Play Store to download it. You can go to Play Store. You can go to Play Store. You can go to Play Store and you search for Trust Wallet. This is it. So you click on it and you can download it. I'll leave the link in the description below so you can access it. So let's click on it. Okay, so this is our Trust Wallet. This is our Trust Wallet. This is our Trust Wallet. So this is when you open your Trust Wallet, you're not going to see this when you download it and you open it. You're not going to see this. If you open it, it's going to be you're going to see something like this. Something like this. Yes. When you open your Trust Wallet, this is what you're going to see. So you just have to click on create wallet. You click on this create wallet. So let me click on it. So you do accept and then you click on continue. You click on continue. So when you click on it, this is where you find yourself, your dashboard. So this will be your dashboard. So in the Trust Wallet, I'm going to show you the features. This is your wallet. This is your D app. This is your D app. D app stands for decentralized finance. And this is your DEX, DEX, and these settings. I'll tell you how to use them. So first of all, this is your wallet. Under your in your wallet, you see tokens. This is where you see the 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 cryptocurrency you possess. It will be showing here. The cryptocurrency you possess will be showing here. So I have SafeMoon, I have FEG, I have USD, I have Freecoin. So the cryptocurrency you possess will be showing here. And this finance. So this finance is showing you staking, all this kind of things. So these collectibles, this is where you can go. Okay, so this thing here, this this thing this thing here is where you can add coin manually. You can add coin, like you can add coin manually. I think my next video, I'll actually most of this airdrop, I don't know, most of this airdrop, like how we got IVO token, we had to add it manually, and then let me just show you how it is. But I know that in my next video I'll expatiate on what this thing is. It's for newbies especially. So if already, so you can okay, you can search for coin. Let me say, yeah, you can add coin manually, and you can also search, because when you come to your wallet, you will not see all this coin, all these tokens that is there. You will not see them in your dashboard. You have to go here and search for them and add them. You turn them on. Example, now if I turn this off now, Tron will not be showing in my wallet again. So I'll turn it on. So you can go and search for any coin. Okay, let's say I want to search for SafeMoon. Let's see if SafeMoon will be here. Okay, so since I have SafeMoon here, so I can turn it off, which means you see SafeMoon no longer in my wallet again. It's no longer there. But if I go here, I can just search for the SafeMoon. Search for the SafeMoon, and I'll turn it on. Now see what will happen now. Let's see. The SafeMoon is back. So that's just the way it is. So here is for searching of coin, and the other one you can also add coin manually. Although, so that one will go. That one is a little bit advanced stuff. Maybe later I will talk about it. So this is your D app. This is your D app. D app means decentralized finance. D app means decentralized finance. Remember what I told you? I told you Trustwallet is a cryptocurrency wallet integrated with D apps. Understand? So it has decentralized applications. These are the decentralized applications. We have the Pancake Swap, which I'll be talking about. We have the Uni Swap Exchange. We have others. You can see we have others. So these are I think, what is it? Okay, DeFi. Yeah, DeFi. So this is the DeFi. So we have AVE, we have Uniswap, we have Inch Exchange, we have Yen Finance, we have Curve, we have Pancake Swap, we have there are a whole lot of them. You can see, you can do see all, there's a whole lot of them. So this is your the app. So yeah, this is your website. Just like Google, it's a search engine. You can search for any site. For instance, now let me search for what's Swap Finance. You can just search for anything and it will pop out there. Just like Google. Let me show you what swap. So this is just it. So just like Google. So search engine, you can search for things, you can search for all these. You can use that search to search for decentralized exchanges that are not listed here. There are some exchange that you might want to, there's some decentralized exchange that you might want to interact with, but you will not find them in any of these places. You will not find them in any of these places. So those exchange now, you just search for them here. That's the only way you can access them. Sorry about that. So this your dex, this your dex, this your dex. So I'll click on it. So this your dex now. You can swap coin on your Trust wallet. So now if I have BNB, I can change my BNB to BUSD. I can just look at the coin that's on the DEX. But the thing is that the coin on the DEX is limited. Is limited. It's not all coin you see on your DEX. So I can actually swap. I can swap BNB to this. I can swap. You even have the exchange. But all these parts you'll not be using it. You're using this DEX. I like to use this DEX most time to swap. Instead of I can just change 10 BNB. I using it. You can swap. You just click on swap. So that's just it. So I'm just showing you the interface and how it looks like, so you'll be familiar with them. So these are your settings. These are settings, and inside your settings now, inside your settings we have wallets, we have dark mode, we have dark security, we have push notification, we have preference, we have wallet connect, we have many other things there. So in this dark mode you can change from, I see this is light mode now. I seen it. So this light mode and this dark mode. So you can actually change, but I like using dark mode. So that just very simple stuff. So it's not something so difficult like that. So this security, where you can set password. This security, you can set password for your wallet, so that for instance now, if you like giving people your phone, so you might want to set security for your wallet so that people can access your wallet without your notice, so that you'll be the only one to access your wallet for privacy purposes and for protection. So you have to just set, can come here, you know you see, you can set passcode, lock, um you see, auto lock. I set it for 15 minutes, which means if I'm away for 15 minutes, my wallet will lock by itself. So which means, so you can just set your this. Now you can set sign transaction sign, which means before you carry out any transaction, if you on this thing now, if you on it, it means before you can carry out any transaction, you must confirm that is you. You must put in your security pin or with your fingerprint. So these push notifications, if you buy coin, you'll be notified. If someone send you, if they send you coin, you receive the notification. Are you getting it? So even if you are not in Trust Wallet currently and maybe you are in another wallet, if someone send you coin now, you receive the notification. And if you send coin to someone, you see the, which means if you receive coin, you can see it here. If you receive coin, you'll be notified, and if you also send out coin, you also be notified. So that is it. So we have the preference. um Preference, this, you can choose your currency. You can choose it to be in naira. I just want mine to be in dollars, so you can just choose that to be in your local currency. You can even see naira self. We have Japanese yen, we have euro, we have rupees, all currencies there. So you can choose depending on the currency you're using, your local currency. You can choose. So I can actually disable my D app. I can actually disable it. You see, let me show you. So there's no D app again. I can actually disable it, and I can also enable it. So that's just it. So yeah. To do this price alert, this price alert, this price alert. So if you want to get notified when Bitcoin is increasing in price, or when Ethereum is increasing in price, you might come and set it here. I get it. When there's a little increase in price, mine is off. I don't want disturbance. So if you can be getting price alerts. Isn't it? You can actually choose the particular token or currency that you want to be getting those price alerts. So that's it. So here is the community. Okay, here's Wallet Connect. You can actually sign in another device. So we just okay. So this the Trust Wallet community. This is the help center. If you have any problem or any question or any difficulty, you can contact the help center. These are Twitter handle, that Twitter community. These are Telegram community. These are Facebook community. These are Reddit community. These are YouTube community. So if you have any suggestion that you want to give to the company, maybe there's some things you don't like about the platform, or maybe there's some things maybe you want some improvement on it, can actually give your suggestion here. So that is just everything about what Trust Wallet looks like. So you can just download it from Play Store. You can download from Play Store, and that's it. So just download. I hope this video is helpful. I hope you find some value in it. So just you can download it, and the link is in the description. I'll leave a link in the description, so you can check the description. There's a link there. Just click on it. It will take you straight to download, and then you download it. So on to the next video. Don't forget to like, to subscribe, and to turn on the notification bell to receive more updates, more short tutorial. I just want to like, I'm just breaking everything down. I don't want to make it so difficult for you guys. I just want it to be very, very easy. So I'm just speaking it in the language that you understand. I'm making it in the most simplest way ever, the simplest way you can ever imagine it to be. I'm not trying to make it that difficult. I'm not here to speak grammar or make it to use big words to confuse you. Use big vocabulary to confuse you. Just want to make it very short and simple. So this is just it. So you can go and explore, play with your wallets. When you download Trust Wallet, just play with it. Go through this video. Just if I click here, just click on your own. Just do this. Just play with it. Get familiar with it. Get used to it, and get used to it. Yeah, get used to it. Just get used to it. So if you're smart, you can hustle. And if you're smarter, you can hustle. And if you can hustle, then you can make money. So smart people rule the world today. It's not all about working hard. It's all about smart work. So you don't need to be working hard. Understand? You can be. In fact, the difference between labor and making money. I don't know but some people, they just labor all their life, but they just pay them peanuts. In fact, people that work the most hardest work in this world, they are being paid less. But people that work smart, and people that are paid. So take this your learning very seriously, and pay attention, and put in all your efforts. And remember, you're always a student, no matter what. So don't ever stop learning. The day you stop learning is the day you start dying. So keep on learning and learning and learning and learning, and soon enough you start seeing your commitment paying off. So don't forget to subscribe and like the video, and turn on the notification bell so as to receive more updates from me as soon as I drop them. So until the next video, peace and love.